The market started back in 2019, and it was an extension from a whole food ecosystem looking to start from growing vegetation, educating people on how to grow in an urban area, to preparing food and to then selling the food. It was important for us to start the business not just in east of the river, but in Anacostia specifically, because we were looking at statistics, looking at how the community has been far removed from different opportunities and different access that will improve their health and their overall quality of life. We need a grow space, we need urban farms, so we were actually farming inside of shipping containers. So we need a health food store in Anacostia. COVID-19 was a shocker for a lot of us, and it impacted us in many different ways. Every Monday, we actually get some donations in to Unify, and we partner with Unify, and we make sure that we sort and get the boxes disseminated to the community. There are a lot of people in need, and we wanted them to feel comfortable. So we want to add that same level of comfort when we go. We always give people a greeting, and we just give them a care boxes to make sure that they and their families have the substantial food that they need to survive. I love using food as medicine. I think that phrase is so true. That's the power of food. Being a pioneer or a trailblazer means to me being the change that you want to see, and I wanted to be that change.